Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie, your go-to channel for simple and clear tech solutions. In today's video, I'll show you exactly where to find the security code on your Starbucks gift card and how to use it for various actions like checking balances, registering, or reloading. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Locate your Starbucks gift card. Grab your physical Starbucks gift card. Flip it over to the backside where you'll see all the card details. Step 2. Spot the silver scratch-off area. Look for a silver scratch-off panel on the back of the card. It's typically near the barcode or below the card number. Step 3. Scratch off to reveal the security code. Use a coin or a similar object to gently scratch off the silver coating. Once removed, you'll see an 8-digit security code, often referred to as the CSC. Step 4. What to use the security code for. Here are some actions you can perform with your Starbucks gift card security code. Register your card on the Starbucks app or website to track rewards and balances. Join Starbucks Rewards for perks and special offers. Check your card balance using the Starbucks app or website. Reload your card for future purchases. Step 5. If you can't find the code. If your card is damaged or the code is unreadable, don't worry. Contact Starbucks customer service for assistance. Provide them with your card details, and they'll help resolve the issue. Conclusion. That's it for today's video. Now you know exactly where to find the security code on your Starbucks gift card and how to use it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips from Error Genie. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.